So in this video, I'm going to answer the burning question that you've been having for quite some time now. How personalities like this are crushing it online when they're not even real people, but they are AI social media influencers earning tons of money and getting global reach. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI social media influencer using Flux and Runway, while also solving the #1 problem that most of y'all got when you try to do this, which is getting consistent characters. Now I'm going to show you an easy and free way to do this. So here's just a few reasons why you might want to create an AI influencer. #1, they're very popular and trendy right now. AI influencers are on the rise and seem to be quite a hit with most people. For example, take this AI influencer here, Miquela. She's an AI influencer with over 2.5 million followers on Instagram, with tons of engagement, making her a viable option for the influencing market. #2, they're very cheap and cost effective. In the wake of the need for autonomous and cost-effective social media marketing options, with some top influencers charging anywhere from 10 to 50K per campaign, brands are looking for the most affordable options that still bring results. #3, they're so easy to maintain and they have global reach. Think about it. If you're an agency with an AI influencer as your talent, you can design him or her to fit any culture or situation, making them extremely adaptable, speak any language, there's no physical limitations, change appearance instantly. They are not affected by unpredictable circumstances, sickness, location, personality issues, personal issues. You have them absolutely all the time at your beck and call. You don't have to fly them, house them, feed them, etc. You get the point. And because they can fit any culture, they have a massive reach on their social media platforms. All right, so enough about all that. How do we actually make these bad boys or girls? I'm gonna show you this in a hypothetical situation. I'm gonna make an avatar for the fashion niche industry. I would do something like this. #1, we have to create an influencer avatar. So I would start off by getting inspiration on some of the most popular ones out there. So I went on Instagram and I found the most popular one, which is Miquela, the most popular Brazilian AI influencer with 7.1 million followers on IG. All right, so I took a snapshot of that picture. I kicked over to ChatGPT and asked it to make a prompt based on the photo that I can use to make an AI influencer using the Flux model as my image generator. And then on top of that, you can include demographics, details like age, background, outfit, niche, etc., whatever you want. And then make sure that you have this prompt that you just made as a base prompt. So save it and store it somewhere, because you're gonna use it later on to make different variations of that image that you got. #2, take the prompt to this cool website here called Tensor.art. It's an AI image generator that runs the Flux 1.0 model. And you can get 100 free images per day using this. This is why this is so cool. So go to the research, type in Flux, click on the lower Flux.1, then go to Flux.1 dev, put in your width and your height, then plug in your prompt, and you will get a base image as your avatar. And if you don't like it, then you'll have to go back to GPT and ask it to give you a different prompt and explain what you like or don't like about it and see what kind of results you get. #3, now I want to create different types of pictures based off of this main avatar, but I still want to maintain consistency in the way that she looks. This is where the trick is, so follow very carefully. So I will take my main prompt that you had saved and I will take it back to GPT and simply tell it this. I want you to create a Flux image prompt that will give me the exact same image that this prompt generated, but I want to have the avatar wearing something different, but also portrayed in a way which I can use her to model for a campaign for my dress and shoe product. So that's what I put in. But I want you to think of this. Use that main prompt, but add the details like I just added to get different variations depending on what you want for that image so you can use it in different situations. Does that make sense? And number 4, you want to keep using that prompt and that base prompt we just talked about and include different variations of how you want the image to be so you can use it in different situations. So you can even tell GPT to make up different variations of that same base prompt so you can use that picture or your avatar for different scenarios and circumstances depending on your campaign or whatnot. Number 5, now that we have enough variations, I'm going to show you an example of how you could use this avatar. For instance, if I was campaigning a certain outfit like this dress from Amazon here, and I wanted to show out different colors in this video, this is what I would do. I would save the pictures of different colors. Then I would take it to an AI called Colors Virtual Try-On. That's colors with a K, which allows you to upload a picture of your subject, a picture of the clothing item you want, and then generate an image of your subject wearing that outfit. That's amazing. So we will do that for about 3 to 4 generations. Now, number 6, now that we have different images or a subject wearing different colors of that same dress, we will make a video using Runway. So bring your images over to Runway and then use their image to video tool. Input each image one at a time. You can either type in a prompt of what kind of shot you want, or you can just simply hit generate and the AI will generate a shot that it thinks it's appropriate, and you can choose the amount of seconds you want, 5 to 10. I usually just go with 5 if I'm using multiple images or videos. Number 7, then after you have the amount of the footages you want, you simply bring it over to any video editor will do and add some music, text, and some transitions, whatever you're trying to do, and take it from there. So this is what I came up with. This is the video that I came up with that I showed you guys earlier right here.
You need to be free.
Move, move, body, move, move your body, do you move, move, body, move, move your body, do you.
And like I said, this is super simple and cheap to do. AI influencers are hot, they're trending, easy to maintain, cheap to make, and it's cheaper than having a human. And you're gonna see a lot of these come up in social media platforms. So I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions about the whole process here, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.